Ladies, after receiving your press-on nails, have you ever just carelessly stuck a nail adhesive tab on and then applied the nail directly onto your own, only to end up with it looking terrible and falling off at the slightest touch? So, after receiving your press-on nails, the first step is to wash your hands thoroughly, ensuring every corner of your own nails is clean. If you don't do this, the nails you apply later won't look as neat. Next, use a buffing bar to gently sand your nail surface, allowing the nail adhesive tabs to adhere more securely. Then, use the small wooden sticks provided in the toolkit to gently push back your cuticles. Clean the nail surface with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry naturally. Take out our nail adhesive tabs and wrap it from one side to the other. Hold the tab at the front, apply it, scrape down the middle, and push to the sides to remove any air bubbles trapped underneath, choosing one that fits the size of your nails properly. Select a nail piece that fits your size without sticking it directly onto your nail. And be careful not to touch the corners with your hands. The nail should be placed on the nail adhesive tab. Peel off the outer dust film, and then press the nail down at a 45-degree angle from front to back, pushing it towards the heel of the nail. Press down for about 10 seconds to ensure all air bubbles are squeezed out. Remember, do not come into contact with water for 3 hours after application. After 3 hours, you can wash your hair or take a shower without any issues. Alright, we're done applying. Make sure to remember this method. Let's check out how it looks on the hand. Wow, it looks so good!